So let's start the video. Welcome to Network Winnow. And today's topic is troubleshooting that static routes. Because from PC1, they are not pinging the PC3 and PC4, but within a LAN they can pinging. So we have to troubleshoot this issue. So let's check how we troubleshoot step by step, and in the final how we fix it and how they pinging. Okay, so let's start from the router 1 to the router 2. First we have to check the router 1 IP address, if we give the right IP address to that interfaces or not. So let's first check it. Just give me a sec. Yeah, so this is our router 1, and let's see show IP interface 3. So this is 001. We give this IP. So basically, this is the right. And inside that 000, we give that IP. So this is also correct. Now we check on router 2. Just a sec. Yeah. So now show IP interface preview. And now let's check it on 000. That is correct one. 001. That is also correct. Okay. Now we check on PC2 and PC3. The IP is also right, 192.168.1.2, and the default gateway is also correct. And 3, 1.3 and 1.1 is default gateway. That is correct. Now PC3, 2.2, that is a PC IP address, and 2.1 default gateway. Right? It's correct. And on PC4, 2.3, 2.1. That's correct. So first, let's check. Means I have to check numbers. Let's ping 192.168.2.2. This is the PC3 IP address basically, and it's not pinging. It's saying request timeout. So let's check about the static routes. If we give on router 1 or not router 2, or if we give the router 2 static right or not router 1, because we have to give the static route on both routers, not one. Because if we give only one, means on router 1, if we tell the static routes, let's tell you show IP route. This is the routing table of the router 1, and as you can hear here, this is the connected network, and this is the connected network, and this is the local route network, basically PC1. And here is the static. Means if we want to go 2.0 network, so we have to go via the 1.2 from that. This is the correct. So let's check on router 2 if we give that any IP means static route or not. Show IP route. No, basically inside that there is a no S, means there is no static. As you can see here, S defines for static. So we have to configure back means the static route back if we means send back to the means LAN E. So basically if configure terminal IP route, and if you want to go 1.0 network, we have go from where? From there 22.1.1.1. From that interface we have to go back. Just a sec. Yeah, it's done. And now let's check it inside that it's showing or not. Do show IP route. Yeah, there is a static. If we go inside that 1.0, we have to go from there. Okay. So this is, let's check it if they are pinging or not from PC1 to PC3. Then ping. It's done. It's fixed. So Write down any comments if in your packet tracer is there any any other configuration, it's not pinging or is there any issue. So we can make that video particularly on that topic on a CCNA level.